In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Epson L360 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Well, I want you to copy the link that I have given at the description box below. Once you've copied that, please open your Google Chrome browser. Here at the Windows address bar, make a right click and click on paste. Click on the enter key in your keyboard. Once you've pasted it, then you'd be navigated in this page where you can see the Epson L360. So scroll down and wait until you would be able to see this drop-down menu. Click on this down arrow key, select for Windows 11 and click on the Go button next to it, and in a few seconds you'd be able to open this kind of the list. So navigate to drivers. Please choose for printer driver. Click on download. Once you click on it, you'd be able to be navigated in this new tab, where here it will ask you first to agree on the license agreement before you can start the downloading process. So click on accept. In that way you can now start it. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So once completed, navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon, and it will show you the file. Please click on this folder icon to show it in folder. Now from here, while selecting it, you need to make a right click and then click on this cat icon. Close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and then click on paste. Once you have pasted the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So please go with WinRAR and go with extract to L360, and please wait until you'd be able to successfully create a new file folder. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for an option called Bluetooth and devices, click on that one. Once you click on it, proceed to printers and scanners. And from here, you'll get to see this option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, directly click on it. And from that, please proceed to add a low printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on Next. Click on this down arrow key. Select any of these three. It could be 001, 002, or 033. So once you click on it, click on Next. Click on Have Disk and tap on Browse. In this new window, please proceed to your desktop. Scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tap, and then double tap. Just double tap until you'd be able to see this driver. Select that, click on Open, click on OK button, and you'll be able to see the printer. Click on Next and please rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting Epson L360 as the printer name. Click on Next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on Next. Click on Finished, and there it is. You have just successfully installed the Sprinter Driver Epson L360 in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.